You might think that all hang tabs are the same, a little adhesive square with a hole allowing you to hang products from a peg. But what if I told you that in the next 2 minutes I'm going to convince you that in fact not all hang tabs are made equal? If you're a current hang tab user, you probably buy them in a sheet, on a roll, or loose like this. We used to make them like that too, until we invented a better way. From speaking to clients and store associates, we understood that what they wanted was something faster to use. You'll notice that our competitors' hang tabs have the backing paper extended beyond the hole of the tab. We only cover the adhesive portion of our tab with the paper liner. Also, our competitors leave the little piece of plastic, or slug, in the hole of their tab, which ultimately ends up on the floor of your store. We pull them out and collect them. This makes our tabs noticeably faster to grab and apply, creating real labor cost savings for your bottom line. But that's not all. This is our founder and president, Carl. Before starting High Impact Products, he became a professional structural engineer trained in bridge design, and looking at the typical hang tab design always bugged him. He had a sneaking suspicion that the design wasn't optimized to sustain the load of the product. "We'd never build a bridge beam like that," he said. And this is the same principle of load bearing, only in a much smaller package. So he got some of his contacts in the structural engineering world to help do a stress analysis on the hang tab, and his theory was confirmed. While the outside edges of the tab do all the work holding up the product, the lower middle adhesive section actually doesn't contribute anything. With this knowledge, he realized that we could remove that useless center portion and put that material into the neighboring tab by nestling them like a jigsaw puzzle. We've taken out the material that doesn't do any work holding up the load without changing the load-bearing abilities of the tab. That means that you save on material without risking your products falling down. This realization and process is so special, we patented it. Finally, all of this also makes for the most materially efficient and environmentally friendly tab on the market. Less paper lining and a smarter design means that our tab needs less paper, less plastic per unit than any other tab on the market. We're using less material for the same performance. Whereas our competitors leave in the slugs, which ultimately end up on the floor of your store, we pull them out and collect them. Every year, we sell over 6 tons of slugs to a partner in plastic manufacturing who recycled them, turning our waste into their resource. So do you believe us when we say that not all tabs are alike? Our tabs are faster, have a better design, and are thought out in a sustainable way. We've put a lot of thought and passion into making what we think is the best tab on the market. Reach out to us for free samples for your in-store test today and see the difference for yourself.